Hi, hello. The day has come. We gotta say goodbye to the newfie. We got something today. We got a bunch of stuff actually. So we got Keychron Q1 V2. Got ourselves a Durock stabilizers. These are purple. Won't be putting these in today because I don't have any lube. And we got some Gateron Milky Yellow Pros. And I got this Keycaps set. It's like Matcha colored Keycaps set. It does not look as vibrant as it does. It looks more vibrant in person than it does on the camera. Alright, I suppose let's build this joint. I've already opened this box several times because I just could not contain my excitement. So that's the top, and inside you get a braided cable. I didn't have a Keychron before, but I think the V1 used to come with a coiled cable, but most people were like, that's an icky coiled cable. So I guess they stopped doing it. You get that, you get extra screws, extra plate foam, because it comes missing plate foam in the center. You get feet, rubber feet. Yeah. Oh, does it come with the rubber feet? Yeah, it does. It's extras. Those are all extras. And here is the bare bones kit. I got the knob, and underneath all this, right? Underneath this neat quick start guide, which is super awesome. It tells you what you need to know right off the bat. Are all the tools you'll need. Keycap puller, little screwdriver, Allen key for the Allen keys on the back. I forget what the proper name is. A decent enough switch puller. It's okay. There's definitely, you can get better ones, but honestly they don't need to include this, but they do, so that's really nice. This, by the way, is V1 of the board. This is not its final form. Its final form will include these Durock stabs and a set of GMK Mecha 01 keycaps, and a GMK Mecha 01 matching cable. But neither one of those are here, and I have no idea when the GMK set is going to be shipped from drop. It says sometime at the end of this year, so fingers crossed that does happen. Anyways, let's get on with the show. I do not want to mess this up, but I'm also slightly a little bit Omega terrified because I've never actually put in hot swap switches before. Okay. I'll go slow, I guess, and then just go from there. Take your time. Don't do crazy shit. Damn, Minnow. You left me a key short. What the hell, dude? Alright, well, I mean, nothing I can really do. But we can see if it works. Well, all the key switches work, even the bent boys that I sent back. So I guess I'll just have to order another pack from Milky, which honestly is probably a good idea. I ordered a macro pad, so I guess I can use the switches on that. But I need my caps lock. Damn, this is kind of lame. Anyways, I guess this video is postponed until I get them. Okay. We're gonna put these keycaps on anyway because F it, dude. Alright? Hi. You might be wondering why there's a resounding lack of keyboard on your screen right now. I did not film finishing this keyboard, so I'll show you what it looks like now. You might notice, keen viewers might notice, there's a resounding lack of green. I got my pack from Milky's, and I also got some other switches that I'll show off here in 1 segundo. Ended up finishing the build. I put the Matcha keycaps on. I played with it for like a week-ish, I don't know. And I just wasn't feeling the keycaps, man. The green, I wasn't feeling it. I didn't like that the arrow keys weren't actual arrows. They were like weird leaves. Or, as some of my friends call them, football. They did look like footballs. I liked the green on the macro pad, but I didn't like it on the keyboard, so I ended up returning those, and I got a different set, slightly more money. By slightly, I literally mean like $3 more. And I got this keycap set off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. I'll also link the Matcha keycaps. In fact, I will link everything I used from the places I bought them from. And this is the finished build without the lights on. And then I put this little Ava sticker on the back. Little Ava sticker, because I like Ava. What other reason? Anyway, so this is the finish of V1 of the keyboard build. It looks pretty sick. Maybe I'll film some cool, like, MKBHD-esque glamour shots. I already took glamour pictures of it. Guess I can put those up here. I don't know. Yeah. And then here is the MP1 Framework that I also built. It's a little red because I got a light going off here that's just shooting all kinds of lights. But there's something cool about this macro pad. I want to check this out. I really like this. I really like this. I was scouring some keyboard websites with some friends late at night, and I came across the Kono store, and they had these Ava 01 themed linears. I think they're like 63 gram weight or something. I don't know. I was gonna put them on the keyboard, but they're not really good for RGB, so I figured I'd put it on the macro pad instead, and they pretty good. They're not lubed though. None of these switches are lubed. Someday I'll get some lube and I'll lube them all, and then I'll do another thing maybe. I don't know. Or I'll keep it to myself. Not everything needs to be recorded, right? What I didn't record was obviously the replacement of these keycaps. I also opened it up and I did a tape mod. I did technically one layer, but then on the space bar I put another layer. So the space bar is 2 layers, but the rest of the board is 1 layer because I wanted to try and retain some of that bounce. I didn't do a good job of it. It's basically gone now, but can't blame a man for trying. And I like the way it sounds. Spacebar could use work. It's not great. Don't love that, but everything else sounds pretty okay. I'll put a sound clip in here at the end. I'm sorry, I'm new to all of this, very much a noob, and the only other keyboard I really want to build is that cool Wooting 60HE. That would be a sick board. I see all the mods people do to it, and I love the Hall effects switch idea. I'm not very good at games, so I doubt it'll have any real performance boost on me, but I'm a sucker for a good placebo effect, so you might see that in the future. Although, for now, maybe not. I'm gonna try to stick to videos that don't cost me an arm and a leg. I learned my lesson when I got into Gundam building. I can get way too deep really fast, and I'm not trying to do that. If there's anything in particular you want to see from me, from the stuff that I have made, like if there's any style of video, or what kind of things you want to see, let me know down below. Like I said in the last video, all information is good information. I've closed out this video like 5 times now, but I hope y'all liked this video. I liked making the keyboard. Hope y'all have a lovely day, night, whenever the hell you watch this video, and see ya.